My name's Ed Belanger. I'm the superintendent of the Subway Main Repair Facility, which does the repairs on the rolling stock for the trolley fleet, along with other fabrication jobs. We've basically done work for almost every single department in the MBTA. The building was originally the car house for the Elevated, which ran down 99 into Malden Center. And we had a power station out front, and we had a T-stop. And up until the car house was decommissioned, our workers could actually ride trolleys right into the complex and come to work. On a given day, we're trying to produce components used to maintain the system and keep all the trolleys up and running. Given any particular emergency, we may be called into action. We also get requests from different departments. If they run into a particular problem, they will come to us to see if we could help them either with a fabrication, a disassembly, or troubleshooting. I would say the majority, 60% is probably rebuilding of components. The most high-tech piece of equipment we have was the large Haas mill, which will do a part that's 3 feet wide and 10 feet long. Even though the building is old, we have a CAD/CAM system, we have a DNC setup which will actually communicate between the machines to download programs. We're capable of handling any file that an engineering group would bring in, and we use it as a digital model and machine off of it. You saw tools being created. You also were seeing parts being created, and you also went through and you were seeing parts that were being corrected. He was making a gauge to check the profile on a wheel. Now that is something, that tool is, you can't find anybody that makes them, and we have the ability to produce a better product than was bought when we could buy them. Just the fact that we've been an integral part of the MBTA long before I started working here, and we hope to continue to contribute to the T's future. We're working hard every day. I've got like 100 people downstairs that are knocking it out of the park, and we just want to continue doing our job.